Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer Google Play balance to your bank account. All right, let's begin. Start by opening the Google Play app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the main menu. From there, go to Payments and Subscriptions. This section lets you manage payment methods and your Google Play balance. Now, scroll down and tap on Help and Feedback. On the Help page, tap Contact Us. This will open the support section where you can directly reach out to Google. In the search bar, type, "How can I withdraw my Google Play balance to my bank account?" and then tap Next Step. Choose the option labeled About Play Balance, then tap Next Step again. You'll see a list of common issues related to Play Balance. If none apply, just tap Next Step one more time. At this point, you'll get two support options, email or chat. Select email, you'll now see a form. Enter your name, the transaction ID for the balance you want to withdraw, and any other required details. To find your transaction ID, check your Google account payment history. For the reason, select Other. After submitting the form, Google will send you a confirmation email with the next steps for transferring your balance to your bank account. So that's basically how you can transfer Google Play balance to your bank account.